How to change currency in Shein app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change currency in your Shein app. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Now let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Shein app. So open up your Shein app and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, head over to the Me section that is on the bottom right corner, and there you will find a settings icon on the top right. Tap on the settings icon, and after you're on settings, you will find the currency option right below the language option. Tap on currency, and after you tap on it, you will see different currencies there, and you can choose whichever you'd like. And that is basically how you can change your currency. Now there is euro, there is your Canadian dollars, your USDs. Choose whichever you'd like, and yeah, that is basically how you change your currency in Shein app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.